Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. We are finally here for part 2 of our project, converting this 7-year-old OnePlus 6T into the ultimate hacking machine. If you watched part 1, we successfully unlocked the bootloader, flashed TWRP, and most importantly, we updated the firmware on both partition slots to Oxygen OS 11. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and go watch part 1 right now, or you will break your device. Today we are taking the big leap. We are installing LineageOS 22.2, which is based on the latest Android 15. And once that is running, we are going to install a custom NetHunter kernel and the full Kali NetHunter overlay. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional penetration testing device in your pocket. Let's get into it. First things first, we need your phone in fast boot mode. If you are coming from the last video, you might already be there. If not, power off your phone and hold volume up, volume down, and power together. Now, on your PC, make sure you have the LineageOS boot.img and dtbo.img files inside your Platform Tools folder. These files are crucial for the Android 15 boot process. Open your command window and type fastboot /boot boot.img. Once that is finished, type the second command, fastboot /dtbo dtbo.img. We're flashing these manually because the recovery included in the LineageOS package is different from TWRP. Once these are flashed, use the volume keys on your phone to select recovery mode and press the power button. Your phone will reboot and you should now see the violet LineageOS recovery screen. Now that we're in the new recovery, we have to clear the old data. Tap on Factory Reset, then select Format Data /Factory Reset. Confirm it. Remember, this wipes everything, but since we already formatted in part 1, this should be quick. Now, go back to the main menu. Tap Apply Update, and then select Apply from ADB. This puts the phone into sideload mode. Back on your PC, locate your big LineageOS 22.2 zip file. We are going to send this file to the phone. Type the command adb sideload rom.zip. Now hit enter. This process is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your cable and port speed. You'll see the percentage verify on your PC. Don't worry if the percentage on the phone screen gets stuck at 47%. That is a common ADB visual bug. As long as your terminal says it's transferring, you are good. This is the main operating system being written to your active slot. Just let it do its thing and don't disconnect the cable. Okay, once the transfer hits 100% or completes, look at your phone screen. You will see a pop-up message asking signature verification failed or asking if you want to reboot. Wait, it might ask if you want to install additional packages like GApps or Magisk. Select yes to reboot into recovery mode again to flash more files. The phone will quickly reboot back into the Lineage recovery. Now, tap Apply Update and apply from ADB one more time. We need root access for NetHunter to work, so we're flashing Magisk now. On your PC, type adb sideload magisk.zip. This one is much smaller and will be faster. We need Magisk because NetHunter relies heavily on root permissions to control the wireless adapters and run the tree root environment. Once that is done, go back to the main menu and finally hit Reboot System Now. And there's the boot animation. You are now booting into LineageOS 22.2, Android 15. Go ahead and speed through the initial setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, skip the Google login for now. Once you're on the home screen, find the Magisk app. If it's not there, you might need to install the APK manually or just click the placeholder icon to upgrade it. Open Magisk and make sure it says Installed. Now, go to Settings, About Phone, and look at the kernel version. Right now, it'll show the default LineageOS kernel. This kernel is great for daily use, but it doesn't support packet injection or external Wi-Fi cards. We need to change that. This next step is extremely sensitive. Please listen carefully. We need to flash a specific NetHunter kernel that is compatible with Android 15. Do not, I repeat, do not use the official NetHunter zip from the website for the OnePlus 6 or 6T. That file is built for Android 12. If you flash that now, you will brick this ROM. We're using a custom compiled NetHunter kernel for Android 15. Reboot your phone back into recovery mode. Select Apply Update, then Apply from ADB. On your PC, sideload the kernel file using the command adb sideload NetHunter-kernel-android15.zip. Once that finishes, reboot the system. Go back to settings and check the kernel version. It should now say something like NetHunter or have a different build string. If you see that, we are safe to proceed. Now for the final piece of the puzzle, the NetHunter OS itself. Download the NetHunter generic ARM64 image. Why generic? Because the device-specific zips usually include a kernel. Since we just manually install our special Android 15 kernel, we don't want the installer to overwrite it with an old one. The generic image installs only the apps and the tree root environment, leaving our kernel alone. Copy the generic NetHunter zip to your phone storage. Open Magisk, go to the Modules tab, and tap Install from storage. Select the NetHunter generic zip. This installation is heavy. It's extracting the entire Kali Linux file system. This will take roughly 25 to 30 minutes. Do not let the screen turn off for too long. Just keep an eye on it. It might look like it's frozen, but give it time. Once the module says done, hit the reboot button. When the phone comes back up, you should see the new NetHunter boot animation and that classic wallpaper. Open the NetHunter app, granted root access, and boom, you're in. You have successfully converted your OnePlus 6T into a fully working hacking machine running Android 15. That's it for this video. If you ran into any errors, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!